Hey, 4 quick habits that are going to help you out in the industry. You break out at 18, 19 years old, you're single-handed across the welding industry. What 4 things will really elevate you? Number 1, I think, is eating healthy. There's going to be a lot of junk food opportunities on the road, eating out at fast food restaurants. Don't do it. Meal prep. Your body's going to thank you. Your wallet's going to thank you. Trust me on this. Cook your food. Don't go fast food every day. Number 2 is working out. I know the 7-12 people especially, you're working outages, you're going to be tired. Let's be honest, you only need 6 or 8 hours of sleep. Working 12, 6, 18, we got 4 hours left. What are we going to do with that? Find a gym and push yourself. No reason to have your body being sacrificed and go into apathy because you want to pull a paycheck. You need to burn the candle at both ends. Let's be healthy and have thick wallets. Number 3, money management. Everybody coming and going talks about they wish they had saved earlier. So just spend in percentages. If you do it this way, you'll never be wrong. So go ahead and have auto drafts into your savings, your retirement, and only use money for entertainment in a small percentage of your income. Most of the guys spend what they make, and the problem is they're going to put all their paycheck into the entertainment lifestyle or these liabilities. And mark my words, a truck is a liability. It does not make you money. Sure, it gets you from job to job, but unless you're rig welding, you don't need anything to single hand. You can have a little S10 with a truck and a job box in the back and you're good to hook. The 4th thing I would say is build great relationships. A lot of things in this life are who you know, not necessarily what you know. So make those connections. Be coachable. Do the extra. Help your people out. If it's a welder, a helper, a boilermaker, it doesn't matter. Pitch in and help out. They're going to remember that. Later down the road, you can either help them, and then that's going to give you some peace of mind, some feeling good about yourself. Helping others is very rewarding. Or they're going to hit a job and remember you and give you a leg up. So no matter what, build great relationships. It's satisfying, and it's going to play out in the end.
So hopefully you guys like this video. We'll be putting out more videos on our YouTube channel, so subscribe to that. And also check out our website. We have links, and we also have shop for clothing and a virtual tour. Until next time, see you there.